So guys, for the first step, you want to go to your Windows computer. Now you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for KDE Connect. Click on it. You want to install this one right here. I already have it installed, but you want to install it. And now once you've installed that on your computer, for the next step, you want to go to your Steam Deck. Now once we're here, you want to go to desktop mode. So you want to click on the Steam button. Now you want to click on power and then click on switch to desktop. It's now going to take us to desktop mode. By the way, both your computer and your Steam Deck needs to be connected to the same network. And now once you're on desktop mode, in the bottom left, you want to click on this right here, this icon. And now this will come up. Now you want to click on internet. And now you should be seeing KDE Connect. You want to click on that. It should now be detecting your Windows computer. And now if I go to my Windows computer and I go to search and type in KDE Connect and then click on it, it should now be detecting your Steam Deck. All you have to do now is just find the file that you want to transfer to your Steam Deck from your Windows computer. Once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on open with and then click on choose another app. Now you want to select KDE Connect and then click on just once. And now this should come up. You want to select your Steam Deck and then click on OK. And it's now sent the file to my Steam Deck download folder. So now if I go to my downloads folder, if I go to File Explorer and then click on downloads, my files are right here that I transferred. That's how you do it.